So first move, before we go to the first move, the video is mirrored for you. You can do it very simple in your living room, very simple. So the first move, you're going to step to the left side with the right foot, step, and make sure your left palm here, crossing like that. 5, 6, 7, 8, you step. And then with the same right leg, step back. And then the same right leg, step behind. Okay, from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. Step, step, back. And then when you're here, you're going to bring your left foot behind. Step with left and right. Left, right. Open up your legs. So one more time, the full move. It's 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4. So the 3 and 4. 3 and 4. The 3 and 4, you are opening up your legs. Opening up your legs. From here, you're going to hold your hand. Your left hand, you place it like this, and then you're going to drive a car. Well, you are bringing your leg inside, your right leg inside. So how are you doing it? With the toe, heel, toe, heel. Don't forget you are driving. 5, 6, 7, 8. Toe, heel, toe, heel. So with a little small speed, 1 and 2 and 3, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1 and 2 and 3. From the top, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, back, step and stretch and 1, 2, 3. Very good. And then you're almost done. Almost done. You're doing good. Next move, after you drive, drive, you're going to hold your right hand up, forward. Then you're going to move your hips. You're going to do the Maserati challenge, the moving of your hips when walking. So how are you doing it? You're stepping with the right, left, right, left, or you are pulling using your hand. 1, 2, 3, 4. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then from here, we're going to jump back. Jump back, and when you're jumping back, you have to make a turn. There is a turn facing your left side. 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. From the top, 5, 6, 7, 8. Step, 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 and stretch. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Back. You're almost done. Now when you're here, you're going to go down a little bit. This is more of a Jamaican move. You're going to put your arm here, then you're going to move your hip. Move your hip. Up, out, out, in. Out, in, out, in. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Out, in, out, in. Now walk when you are removing your hip from outside inside. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4. That's how you're walking. Start walking with the right foot. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. From the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You good? From here, 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to do it 2 more times from the start. Starting with stepping with the right leg. Yeah. So 2 more times. 5, 6, 7, 8, and step back and stretch. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now with that, the first part of the choreo, it's done. The only part that it's remaining is the chorus part. The chorus part is very, very simple. Okay. Let's run it with the music from top. From top. A little bit. Give me your waist. Give me your waist. Give me your waist. 5, 5, 5, 6, 7, 8, and step, step, drive, and forward, and push. From the top, one more time. Drive, and move, and back. Good? Let's do it one more time, the music, and then we continue. Make sure you're having fun, make sure you're doing it, make sure you're enjoying it. It's feeling, but I'm loving the feeling. Give me a waist, high. From the toes, 5, 5, 6, 7, 8, and step back, 1 and 2, and forward, and push. From the top, one more time, and pull, and push. Very nice, very nice, very nice. Now from here, we're going to go. We call it the chicken mode. You make some. You need to adjust this. Make some cuckoo moves, some cuckoo fists. So how are you doing it? You're moving back. Start with the right, left. So the first move is 1, 2. And now from here you're going to cross your hands, shoulder, shoulder. So cross, open. From here, connect. 1, 2, 3, and now from here you're going to go to your left side. You're going to lift your right hand up, and the cuckoo move will be here. So it's 1, 2, 3, and 4. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And now from here you bring it down. Now you're going to move your head. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Now the same side, the other side, you're going to do the same thing. Let's do both sides. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. From top, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7. One more time. And 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6. So the cuckoo, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's start with the music. Give me your side. From the top. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4. From the top. Tata hard. And pull. And push. From the top. Right, left, and hey. One more time. The other side. Nice one. Okay, we're almost done. We're 3/4 of the choreography. Very simple. So let's continue. Now the second last part, you're going to stretch out your right leg, bring it in. When you bring it in, the left shoulder will come out. More of a pattern. 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. Now you're going to drag something from left to right. 3, 4. Using your arm, left arm. One more time. With the right leg, right shoulder, drag with your left arm. And now from here, now you're going to swing, swing, swing. That's the full move. Let's do it one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. So for that, you're going to do 2 more times. 2 times. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. So you can add some. When you're swinging, you can swing with your chest. Huh? One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. From top. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7. One more time. And 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's try with the music. 7, 8, and step back. Okay? And pull. And push. One more time. 3, 3, and 4. And pull. And push. Hey! Cuckoo. Sha, sha, ha. The other side. Sha, sha, ha. The stretching, right shoulder, pull, and swing. One more time. Right shoulder, pull. And then give me this. Nice one. Thank you so much. That was a nice session. See you on the next video. I'll be doing these dance tutorials every week. Hope you enjoy. Hope you reach the end. And make sure you do it with your friends. And when you do it, tag me. Then comment your favorite part of this choreography down there. See you